morning and warm welcome to our respected Principal Ma'am, esteemed professors, dedicated office and library staff, beloved juniors, and above all, our bright and promising freshers of the undergraduate and postgraduate courses across all departments. I am Trishala Gurung, the Vice President of the Student Council of Southfields College and a student of the Postgraduate Department of History, currently studying in my third semester. It is an absolute honor to stand before you today as we celebrate the vibrant cultural diversity of our nation throughout this spectacular showcases of dances from different parts of our country that conveys us the message of national integration. India is a land of boundless heritage where every region tells its story through music, movement, and rhythm. Today, we all will journey across the country experiencing regal elegance of Rajasthan, the electrifying beats of Maharashtra, the joyous traditions of Kaura dance from our own hometown Darjeeling, and the graceful charms of Assam, Bengal, as well as Kashmir. Each of these performances is a tribute to freshers to Southfields College. May your journey here be as enriching and as unforgettable as possible. Thank you. We shall now begin with the dances. From the royal land of Rajasthan, we bring to you Ghumar, a dance of elegance, tradition, and grace. Movements and vibrant costumes, Ghumar is a celebration of the spirit and culture of the desert state of Rajasthan. So, dear freshers, and all the honorable members of Southfield family present today in this Damien Hall, get ready to immerse yourself in the regal beauty of Rajasthan with this mesmerizing performance by the students of Sociology Department. Thank you.
Oh,
Kashmir, where elegance meets tradition. The Kashmiri dance presented by the students of Nepali department is a lyrical celebration of beauty, culture and poetry, mirroring the serene charm of its homeland. With graceful movements and enchanting aura, this performance captures the essence of paradise on earth, that is Kashmir. So let the mystic of Kashmir unfold before your eyes. Thank you. From the Department of Geography, 5th semester, present before you all a dance that flows like the mighty Brahmaputra itself. The graceful Bihu dance reflects the rich traditions of this beautiful state, blending elegance with cultural pride. With fluid movements and vibrant attire, this performance will transport you straight to the lush green valleys of Assam. Let's celebrate the beauty of this enchanting art performance. Thank you.
What
It is just the beginning of a shared journey, a collective heartbeat, and a unified spirit. India, our motherland, is a symphony of languages, longer just individuals stepping into a new institution. You are now cherished members of the Southfield College family. On behalf of the Students' Council, I, Trishala Guram, Vice President, extend my heartfelt welcome to each one of you. May your time here be filled with learning, laughter, leadership, and love. May you not only learn new things, but also work together in unison for the development and well-being of our college. May you make everlasting friendship. May you achieve not only your goals, but also discover what truly matters to you. Let us walk forward together in unity, in dignity, and in celebration of all that we are and all that we shall become. Let us carry forward the spirit of unity, not just as students of different
सक्रिय विद्यार्थी हरेक विभागबाट छानिएका थियौं। त्यही छानिएका मध्ये आज हामीसँग 14 जना प्रतिस्पर्धीहरू छन् जो मिस फ्रेशर्सको यात्रामा अघि बढ्नेछन्। अब अन्य फ्रेशर्स राउन्डलाई निष्पक्ष ढंगले सञ्चालन गर्नका लागि आदरणीय इभाना म्याम, सुजाता म्याम र डिकी आङ्मो म्यामलाई जजको रूपमा आफ्नो विशेष स्थान ग्रहण गरी बसिदिनु हुन निवेदन गर्दछु। अब हामी छानिएका फ्रेशर्सहरूलाई मञ्चमा आइदिनु हुन निवेदन गर्दछु। छानिएका विद्यार्थीहरूको नाम यस प्रकार छन्: प्रतीक्षा थामी, पोल साइन्स डिपार्टमेन्ट जोलासी लेप्चा रिदिमा राय, ज्योग्राफी डिपार्टमेन्ट श्रेया तिवारी रिया छेत्री, नेपाली डिपार्टमेन्ट अप्सरा राय जेनित मोक्तान, इंग्लिश डिपार्टमेन्ट एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेन्ट निशा थापा अतिका खाती, सोशियोलोजी डिपार्टमेन्ट फुर्बा वाङ्मु डुप्पा कृपाञ्जली छेत्री। अब कार्यक्रमको
power, water, because like in today's world there is a shortage of water, so
good afternoon everyone, my name is Shreya Chetri and I am from Geography Department. म चाहिँ मेरोमा पावर छ भने चाहिँ के चेन्ज गर्छु भन्दा चाहिँ जुन चाहिँ अहिले केटा र केटीमाथि चाहिँ भेदभाव हुन्छ त्यो चेन्ज देखा गर्न चाहन्छु। थ्याङ्क यू।
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Jemima from PG first semester. If I had the power to change something, I think I would change the discrimination between caste, religion, and everyone. Caste, religion, I think everyone discriminates, even in college or outside of the college. But in religion, like Christianity, Hindus, Muslims, everyone like. They separate themselves from other people, right? That is the main reason that I would change the discrimination. I would try to change people's mindset.
यहाँ उपस्थित हुनुभएको प्रत्येकलाई हार्दिक अभिवादन। मेरो नाम जेनेट मोक्तान, नेपाली विभागबाट। र म के चेन्ज गर्ने थिएँ अगर मेरोमा पावर भएको भए भने चाहिँ पेट्रियार्की सिस्टम। यहाँ प्रत्येक सबैजनालाई केटाहरूलाई चाहिँ माथिल्लो दर्जामा हेर्ने गरिन्छ।
हामीले आफ्नै फ्यामिली मैले मेरो फ्यामिलीमा पनि त्यस्तो कुराहरू देखेको छु। यसै कारण मेरोमा पावर आएको भए चाहिँ म पेट्रियार्की सिस्टमलाई चाहिँ अलिकति तल झार्थेँ अनि मेट्रियार्की सिस्टमलाई चाहिँ अझै अघि बढाउने प्रयास गर्दथेँ। हुन्छ, धन्यवाद।
Purvabhaumi Thukpa from Sociology Department. अनि आज चाहिँ म like if I have the power then I will change everyone's mind. सबसे त हाम्रो माइन्डसेट इम्पोर्टेन्ट हो किनभने अहिले आफूले हेऱ्यो भने आफूले आफूमा एउटा इन्सेक्युरिटी खोजिरहेको हुन्छ, ला मेरो कपाल बन्दैन, ला मेरो अनुहार आँखा मिलेन यस्तो भनेर। बट राम्रै हुनु बाहिरबाट लाइक आउटर अपियरेन्स राम्रो लाइक इट्स नट इम्पोर्टेन्ट। अब भित्र अरूलाई काइन्डनेसले मायाले मजाले अरूसँग बोलेर हाँसी खुसी गरेर सबैसँग मिलिजुली बस्यो भने द्याट वुड बी द्याट टाइम वी क्यान कल आवरसेल्फ ब्युटिफुल। अन्त आफूले इन्सेक्योर भएर ऐना 100 पल्ट हेरेर छ्या हामी त यस्तो पो छौँ, छ्या मेरो त यस्तो मिलेन, आज म कस्तो नराम्री देखिरहेको छु। Even when you wake up with a messy hair, you look beautiful. Because हाम्रो त ब्युटी एज अनुसार फेड हुन्छ, तर हाम्रो नाम अब हामी कस्तो छु हाम्रो क्यारेक्टर त हुँदैन नि त। मर्ने बेलामा ऊ त कस्तो राम्री थियो बिचरा मर्यो भन्दैन, ऊ त कस्तो राम्री थियो, ऊ कस्तो राम्रो थियो र समाजमा यस्तो गर्यो भनेर तब चाहिँ हाम्रो नाम राखिन्छ, अन्नाले होइन आफ्नो आउटर अपियरेन्सले।
Hamid from HT department, and if I had the power to change the thing in the world, then I would be changing the fraud governing of the country. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Ridhima Rai and I'm from Political Department. सबैले सबै कुरा भनिसके यहाँ भएको जति केटीहरूको लागि रेसिजम पेट्रियार्की म चाहिँ मेरो आमाहरूको लागि भन्न चाहन्छु। हाम्रो आमाहरू फङ्सनहरूतिर अरू केही पनि सबैजना किचनमा काम गर्दै गरेको हुनुहुन्छ, बाबाहरू चाहिँ मस्त ढल्केर टिभी हेर्दै गरेको हुनुहुन्छ। अन्त आमाहरूलाई मात्रै दिनरात धसेर बिहान दिन काम गरेर बेलुका पनि उनीहरूले नै सुरु गरेर खतम पनि आमाले नै काम गर्नुहुन्छ। म चाहिँ त्यो सिस्टम त्यो जस्तो माइन्डसेट छ केटाहरूको, आई वान्टेड टु चेन्ज द्याट। आफ्नो बुढाहरूले या भाइ बहिनीहरूले सबैले आफ्नो आमाहरूको किचनमा हेल्प गरिदिनुहोस् होला, सबै कुरामा हेल्प गरिदिनुहोस् होला। थ्याङ्क यू।
And I am from Geography Department. What I want to say is that just really want to about work. I also want to share something about that thing that even in our country that we see that people are discriminated about their works. So yesterday we have been celebrated the Staff Day, and it was very great to know that each member of this college are celebrating these days, and everyone is very happy that they are known from here, and we can know that every member is equal and every person should be seen as equal as they are. So that much.
My name is Atika Khatur from Education Department, and transgender like Atika Khatur like गरिरहेको डिस्क्रिमिनेसन उनीहरूले फेस गरिरहेको प्रब्लम्सहरू चेन्ज गर्न चाहन्छु।
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Karcha Guru, I'm from English department. The one thing that I would change is social discrimination.
Everyone, my name is Nisha Thapa and I'm from Education department. And if I had to change something in the world, then it would be to stop all kind of pollutions like air pollution, water pollution, to make a better future for all of us.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. My name is Padana Kutia. I am from History Department. The one thing I would change if I get the chance is free education system to primary classes, because in our country, because of poverty, many kids do not get the chance of education and they have to do child labor instead of gaining education and developing their future and career. Thank you. I'm from Nepali department. If मैले केही चेन्ज गर्न सक्थ्यो भने म केटीहरूले बेलुका फ्रिली घुम्नु सक्ने, हिँड्नु सक्ने, बेलुका फ्रिली हिँड्नु सक्ने, त्यसले लाइक त्यो चेन्ज गर्थ्यो हाम्रो पोलिटिकल लज त्यस्तोहरू चेन्ज गर्नु सक्छ।
Good evening everyone. My name is Jalashi Lapcha and I'm from the Political Science Department. So the one thing I would like to change about this world if I had the power would be think more importantly, because at the present date there are too many there are like the
If I had the power to change anything in the world, then I'd like to stop the pollution, the increasing pollution.